We have all experienced it. Those tired, achy legs after sitting or standing all day, and you may have even noticed some swelling in your legs. I'm Andy from Open Space Healing, and today we're going to be talking about how to relieve those tired, achy legs. Why do we get achy legs? The problem is that our modern day world consists of many different factors which slow down our venous return, which is the blood being pumped back up towards our heart, such as jobs that require standing or sitting for long periods of time, not sitting properly in your chair, carrying loads heavier than 10 kilograms, exposure to high working temperatures, crouching or kneeling down, and excess weight or increased adipose tissue in your legs. Combine this with gravity and possible poor circulation and you have a recipe for disaster. How can you help? Correct any restrictions in the knees and feet. Avoid wearing clothes that are too tight. Change your shoes regularly. Barefoot is best for most people, and ditch the heels. Reduce your weight, especially if your BMI is over 25. Drink enough water. Remember, 1 litre for every 22 kilos of body weight, and eat a diet that is rich in fibre. Change your position regularly and walk around. This gets the muscle pumps going. Flex and extend your ankle joints by going up onto your tiptoes for 5 minutes every hour. Avoid crossing your legs. Breathe deeply using your diaphragm, and exercise regularly, at least 3 times a week. Our body relies on great joint mobility in our ankles and our knees, as well as strong, good muscular contraction of our calves and our feet and our diaphragm. Especially when we're lying down, we need to breathe deeply to help pump the fluid and the circulation back towards our heart. We have one stellar exercise that really helps with those achy legs. Plus, it also helps with your rest and relaxation part of your nervous system to calm your whole body down for that perfect night's sleep. Let's get started. Lay on your back with your bum right up to the wall. Stretch out your legs so that they run up the wall and are comfortable. Lay there for as long as you like. We find the best results happen with 10 minutes or more. Use a bolster underneath your hips if you are pregnant. If your symptoms do not improve or you notice any redness or burning in your legs, contact your primary healthcare provider. Achy legs or not, give this one a go at home. We promise you will love it, and share it with somebody who really needs this information. If you're loving our stuff, then remember to hit that subscribe button, and remember that by healing yourself, you inspire your tribe and transform your world. Bye for now.